Del here with another product review, and I'll hold it up to the camera so you can take a look at it. This is kind of a hefty kind of bar here, and the fat and the saturated, especially the saturated fat, is extremely high, meaning it's probably going to really be delicious. And so it's got some salt, and it's got the vitamins, and it's got a ton of protein, 30 grams of protein. So kind of if you're doing some kind of exercise, something that requires physical exertion, and you need some kind of snack that you can't, say, go to a fast food place or cook a dinner on your own, this looks like it would pack a wallop. And the other kind of things about this, there's 380 calories too, by the way, and it's the fiber I mentioned, and it's got a lot of salt in it. So, well, let's take a look here and see what it tastes like. What it looks like and what it tastes like. So that's what it looks like, and we'll Now, I don't know if this comes in different flavors, but this is the chocolate one, right? Yeah, chocolate chip cookie dough. So this is the chocolate chip. I better take another bite just to make sure. This is not bad. Not bad at all. And usually something that tastes this good has something, and I mentioned those things. Quite all of them. For vitamin D, it doesn't have anything, but for the calcium, the iron, and the potassium, it has those in it. And so I don't feel that I should say anything bad about this product, because it's delicious, and it obviously going to provide some calories. Maybe you're driving the car on a long drive or something, and you have whoever you're riding with, have them open this up for you and peel it off, and you can grab some calories. I better take another bite just to make sure. And this is in response to one of our commenters, and she suggested that we maybe take a look at this, so that's what we're doing. So, if you like chocolate, I imagine they've got different flavors, but if you like chocolate, this is going to hit the spot. So I hope this gets the idea across about this one, and I think we're going to sign off. So we'll say, tanto tiempo por ahora, so long for now.